Shoulder injuries are a painful part of life, but they're no longer the problem they once were, because at Smith+Nephew, we're redefining shoulder repair. With advanced healing solutions and the Instability Excellence portfolio, we can address the rotator cuff and instability pathologies with our patients' needs in mind. Through our advanced healing solutions, we're redefining healing potential. Our goal is to provide evidence-based treatment that will give patients the strength and confidence to return to their lives untroubled by shoulder pain. Unique to Smith+Nephew is Redefining, a bioinductive implant placed over the rotator cuff tear to support the shoulder's natural healing response, to create new tendon-like tissue growth and disrupt disease progression. Our Redefining material is a unique formulation of proven materials that can be absorbed and replaced by bone within 24 months. The Helicoil family brand features an open architecture anchor design that may provide a biologic healing advantage, reducing the amount of implanted material in the shoulder and allowing better bone ingrowth than traditional solid body anchors. For shoulder instability repairs, no matter the repair, the procedure or the pathology, the Instability Excellence portfolio can address it and redefine peak performance. From the simple to the complex, the Instability Excellence portfolio provides solutions around the entirety of the glenoid, including soft tissue repairs, bony Bankart repairs, and glenoid bone loss. The Microraptor Suture Anchor family can create a secure repair through its capabilities in off-axis insertion, fixation strength, compact size, and Redefining material. The Q-Fix anchor is an all-suture anchor that provides consistent anchor deployment and impressive fixation strength. The glenoid bone loss system offers solutions to address lattice and bone block procedures. The system is designed to produce accuracy, reproducibility, and efficiency through every step of the procedure, leading to an optimized bone graft placement. By redefining healing potential with our advanced healing solutions, and redefining peak performance with our Instability Excellence portfolio, together we're redefining shoulder repair. This is Smith+Nephew, Life Unlimited.